Hey there. Here's a before from a picture from the realtor of my bathroom. You can see how it had the granite countertops and the blue toilet. So we changed out the granite countertop to white, like you can see here. And the toilet we're going to change to white as well. We're going to keep the floor tile and the tile on the wall. This wood, this is not real wood, it's just like painted to look like wood. We'll keep that for right now. Maybe we'll decide on changing it to white later, I'm not sure. And you can see how everything was kind of taped off on the medicine cabinet, and I put plastic on the lights so I could paint. And that was actually real sand that was on the walls, but I just used white paint that has primer in it and painted it. And you can still see there's a lot of like plaster kind of look to the wall. There's like depth to it, which is I'm fine with. I like the depth to it, and I'm not happy with the white though, so I'm going to get that white changed to match the tile a little better, like a lighter version of it. And with the medicine cabinet, we can see how that was kind of painted in there as well, which is not a big deal. Everything looking clean, and you can see the nice white on the counters and the toilets with the floor. That looks good, but I just needed those walls to kind of match the tiles on the wall with that light blue to match the darker blue of the tiles. I just need to paint the windowsills. And let me know in the comments what you think.